Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a VW Golf 2015, and what we've done is we've installed a reverse camera on the original screen, so it's fully integrated like original. I'll show you on the screen right here. Okay, so as you can see, we have not changed the screen, everything's the same still. When you put into reverse now, comes up on the screen. Also, you get full moving guidelines with the vehicle, and your original sensors get displayed on the right hand corner there for you to see. And also when you take it back out, it goes. If you want this installed on your VW, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill, IG26QA. Thank you for watching this video guys. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to our channel.